Do you think you're a good shot with a rifle? Do you like a real challenge in shooting? The concept of the game is easy. Just knock them off the stand. Making it a reality is the challenge. Rifle silhouette offers a real challenge and without a doubt can improve your ability to shoot. All of the shooting is done offhand, no support, and slings are not allowed. There's high power rifle silhouette, which is shot with centerfire rifles no smaller than 6mm. And there's smallbore rifle silhouette, which is shot with 22 rimfire, typically 22 long rifle. This high power chicken is shot at 200 meters. This small bore chicken is shot at 40 meters. There's exactly 5 times the difference in distance, 5 times the difference in size. This is the small bore chicken. As I mentioned before, it's shot from 40 meters. That's approximately 44 yards. Don't let its tiny size fool you though. It's the second easiest target to shoot at. This is the small bore pig. It sets at 60 meters from the firing line. That's approximately 66 yards. It's the easiest of the 4 targets to shoot. This is a small bore turkey. It's shot from 77 meters or approximately 84 yards. It's by far the most difficult of the 4 targets to shoot. This is the small bore ram. They are the largest but also the furthest targets to shoot. They set at 100 meters from the firing line. That's approximately 109 yards. They're the second most challenging target to shoot.